What's up, and welcome to another episode of Will's Suburban Shop. Today I got a little project I'm working on here. I have my 2010 Mac unibody MacBook Pro unibody, and it's got a problem with the Wi-Fi card. So I'm gonna take this all apart and show you how to do it. I got a new card and a new ribbon cable off of eBay, and we're going to switch it out. All right, so we're going to start at the back of the computer here, and there's a bunch of little tiny screws here that you need to pull out. It looks like there's about 10 of them. And I've heard that people have had a lot of problems with these ribbon cables here, and this actually doesn't look like the right cable, but I'm going to switch out the card, and let me see. So So you're left with this, and right here is where the little Wi-Fi card is hidden. So we'll go ahead and remove those two screws. And it looks like I have the right Wi-Fi card, but the wrong ribbon cable, but that's okay. I'm just more worried about the card anyways. See if we can so the ribbon cable just comes off like that. And you can see that our Wi-Fi card coming right out. Pops out just like that. And I have my replacement here. Pretty much the same. So I'll go ahead and throw this in here. It kind of fits down like that. That ribbon cable pops right back on. Got two itty bitty little screws in it. There it is, easy peasy. Put it back in the computer now. This is probably going to be the hard part, threading all these little cables back through. You can kind of see these little channels here. Yeah, so maybe we'll time lapse that. there it is. Piece of crap. Wi-Fi card is out. It's crap. It's gone. Thanks for sticking in, and we'll see you next time.